She cute. She cute. She cute. Hey, it's Queen T and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, why don't you go ahead and click that subscribe button to become a part of my Royal Squad. If you're already part of my Royal Squad, thank you for your continued support. So today I'm back with another wig review from WeQueen. This is a 10-inch 127 ombre headband wig, and it's a kinky curly style. So let's just go ahead and get into this wig. So it came in a box like this. And inside that box was the wig. It's a real pretty color. And it's got 3 combs in the front. It's got your comb in the back. And this one actually has adjustable straps on it along with your elastic headband. Oh, sorry. It also came with some headbands. And it came with some wig caps. And it came with this real nice satin bag to store the wig in if I want to. WeQueen is pretty good about that. They usually do send you a satin bag along with the wig. Straps adjusted. So those of you that have been rocking with me for a while, you know that I always pre-wash my wigs when I get them and let them air dry on my mannequin head. So nothing has changed with this one. Same thing. I got it, I washed it, conditioned it, and hung it on my mannequin head to dry. So here's elastic straps. Y'all, this is kind of tight, so I didn't even dress the straps all the way. Go ahead and get the comb in there. It's definitely going to be secured. Okay, and I typically will fold the black band back because I want to, if I'm going to wear my baby hairs. So I just fold it back some so that it won't be so thick when I put the headband on. Well, the hair is really soft. Like I said, this is a 10-inch. I think it's a pretty good, nice length for the summer. Let's go ahead and put a headband on it. Go ahead and go with this one since I got on my Kobe shirt today. So I'm going to go ahead and put on this one. This one will match it pretty good. Okay, so then like I said, I already washed this and hung this on my mannequin head to dry. So I'm going to go ahead and just freshen it up with a little bit of this Curl Refreshing Spray by Miel. I I've been wanting to try this, so we'll see how it works. I might have to end up spraying it down with some water, but we'll see if this actually works. Now it is a little dry, but I believe that's because of the coloring on it. But it's not terrible. It's not like hay or anything. And I'm not getting any shedding on there so far, so that's a good thing. This stuff smells amazing, you guys, too. I don't want to get it too wet because I want to wear it, you know, fluffy with this kind of look. I think it looks really cute like that, as opposed to a real defined curl. She cute. She cute. She cute. And I'm absolutely loving the color. You guys know how I feel about my blonde. I absolutely love that honey blonde. That's one of my favorite colors. It's got the dark roots. So it looks like really natural. Yep. There you have it. I'm sure you can pull it up. I don't think I have a... Do a real cute half up, half down. You might do like a little bun maybe on top. I'd have to probably grab some more hair though for the bun, but yeah. I think if you had a longer length, you could go up to like one big puffy ponytail. With this shorter length, I think it'll be kind of difficult to do that, but you definitely could do a little half up, half down style. And you definitely could wet it more and define the curls. Definitely, I just was choosing to go for a different look today. There you have it. I think she's really cute, really fun for the summer. So then I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna get. I'm gonna give you guys a 360 on this. So of course, this is the front. This is the right side. You got the back. And you got the left side. The density on this is really good. I think it's a perfect density. I believe it's like 150, so it's just perfect. I mean, it's super light. It's airy, like with all the other headband wigs. It's, you know, it's got the holes in there. It's really airy. It fits good. It's staying on good. It is, like I said, it is kind of tight. Now I'm a small, so like I said, it's kind of tight. So maybe if you put it or didn't do the adjustable straps and just left it, you know, at the very last one and maybe not pull the band, the Velcro band so tight. I think that you get away with it if you have a larger size, you know, a medium or a large size. I think it would be able to work out just fine for you. So once again, I got this wig from WeQueen, and I will link all the information regarding this wig down in the description. Remember, if you never chase your dreams, you'll never catch your dreams. Until next time, bye.